All right, this is a lesson on the intro to Hey Baby, New Rising Sun by JIMI HENDRIX. So the first thing we're gonna have is the E major chord. And then we got a chromatic riff, so we kind of go up the chord a little bit. So the chromatic riff is 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, and then pause for like a little eighth note. Then you get into a C chord here, so we got. Okay, so what we're gonna do there is we have the C. On the A string, we're gonna go 0, 1, 2, 3, slide to the 5. Okay, and then we're gonna go. Then we wanna get our thumb back there in that 3, really, if we can. So we wanna go. And that's that standard Hendrix kind of a major chord thing. So he's got his thumb on the 3 up here. He's got 5, 4, 3 on the D strings going down to the B. Little hammer on pull off on the second string with that pinky there. So once again we got our E chord. C. G. Then we're going to D, A, back to E. So let's look at all that. So we get E chord to start. C. Thumb on the G. D. A. E. Then we go. So that's a chromatic riff. We got 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 0, 3, and then C power chord. So let's look at that. And you wait a little bit. So 1, 3, 2, 0, 2, 0, 1. So that's down to the D string at that point. And on that F there. Now this one's like a power chord, B flat. We got the 1 and the 3 here. We're gonna go. Now the second time you can just do that bass line. So it's 1, 0, 3, 1. We went down a string here, 1, 0, 3. So the whole thing there is. So at that point we end up going 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0, 3, 1, 0. So one more time. Then we're coming up to this E flat power chord here. So that's off the A string, 6 and 8s. So let's look at everything we got so far. So that's gonna be our new part. So we get to this E flat, to the bigger string, B flat there, and then D flat, G power chord, and then we're gonna get into this A flat. So that's gonna be a flat, A, B flat, and then, so we're sliding into the 10th fret of the A, from the 8, down to the D. Go 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. Then we're going to come down to this lower F power chord. So that was 8, 10, 8, 7, 8, 7 again, big 10, 8 to 6 to the B flat. We start doing a major chord there. So. So on the way to that D power chord here, we're going to slide down from the B flat to A. And then the same type of riff to G, and then B, that's the end of that part. So that's your A minor. You got your bass up here. You're muting the A string, of course. So you got your 7-5-5 in the middle there from a minor chord, A minor. So it's like your A minor bar chord, but Hendrix doesn't do them like that. He does them with this wraparound thumb. That way you can do all these extra riffs up here and stuff. So we got, and this is a G major. It's got that little second string hammer-on pull-off. Now that one's the F major 7, so we got our F bass, and we got 3, 2, 1, and open on the bottom. So we got D major. And that could just be a power chord. It might not be a full major there. Kind of use your ear, figure out what you want. And that's a fun one to jam with your A minor pentatonic scale. Just jam over that progression. And with any of these tunes, like, always listen to the record a lot and really see what things are cool about it, and, you know, try to jam along with the record. That's how you really get your rhythm good, is really trying to jam along with the record. And these days, you know, on YouTube, you can slow these things down, like little increments and stuff. All right, Hey Baby, New Rising Sun, Jimi Hendrix from the Rainbow Bridge. That's the album I got it on anyway. The Rainbow Bridge album. Welcome to Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you soon. Thanks a lot.